Hello, what will happen if I made some object fall on this scale? It will fall off the table, right? Now what if I ask you what can I do to stop this from happening? Obviously yes, if I put something heavy on the other end of the scale, it will not fall, right? But can I do the same thing with a single paper? Is it possible? Let's try. Okay, I have a single sheet of paper. I'll keep it on the other end of the scale and make the object fall. See, the paper is holding the scale and not making it fall. Now why is this happening? The reason behind it is air pressure. Air applies force on all the objects. Whenever we put force on one end of the scale, the other end experiences the same force upwards. When we put paper on it, the surface area increases and thereby it increases the force applied by air, and this force counteracts the force applied by the scale, and thus it stops the scale from falling.